Hello and welcome back in the Gourmet Gambit. Today we're going to make a green tea chicken. It is a very nice summer food recipe. This chicken is very nice to serve lukewarm with some salad greens. I'm Wes. Let's get started. We're going to chop the stems of the parsley first. Chop the parsley grossly. Slice the ginger. We got our baby apricots and we're just going to cut them open in half and take out the pit. Once we got all the pits out, we're just going to cut them half again. Here we go. We're going to brush the lemon under hot water just to get the wax of the skin. We're going to prepare some lemon zest. So here we got all the spices we're going to use. 1 tablespoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 4 long kampot peppers, 1.5 tablespoon of green tea, 1.5 tablespoon of black mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, and we're going to use 3 bay rum tree leaves. We're just going to lightly toast our spices, just enough to waken up the essential oils in them. Medium heat, 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, that's enough. We don't want the seeds to pop. And we're going to ground this in our mortar. This is fairly enough. I'm using chicken thighs, but you can use any part of the chicken you like. We're going to add our salt, the sugar, 3 tablespoons of our spices. You can even put 4 if you like. First we're going to coat our chicken all around. We're going to add a little bit more spices. There we go. We're going to add the lemon zest, a cup of parsley. Mix it up a little bit again. Add the ginger, add the apricots, and then just mix lightly. And here we go. I'm going to use my tagine. Of course you can use any cooking way you like. It's a method of low and slow cooking. A little bit of olive oil. Give it a little coating on the bottom. Add the rest of the parsley. The rest of the lemon as well. And our chicken. Put the lid on. And we're going to put this on low heat. Cooking time 1.5 hours. So let's have a look how this works out. That looks very nice. See if it's tender enough. I think I'm going to give it another 15 to 20 minutes to get it really tender. 15 minutes later, here we are. Beautifully done. Kill the heat and we're going to let it cool down a bit. Serve this with your salad lukewarm and use the gravy as a dressing on your salad. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and all there's left to say, my dear friends, bon appétit and see you back soon.